In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the My Day list in Microsoft To Do. Let's dive right in and get started with making the most of your day by organizing your tasks effectively. First things first, you'll want to open the Microsoft To Do app from your Start menu. If you haven't already, make sure that you've downloaded Microsoft To Do from the Microsoft Store. It's crucial to have it installed as it allows you to access a plethora of features designed to keep your tasks organized and at your fingertips. Now, if you haven't downloaded the app yet, no worries, you can still access Microsoft To Do on the web. Simply visit the website at todo.microsoft.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This is the same account you use for services such as Outlook or OneDrive. Look for the sign in option and click on it. When prompted, enter your Microsoft account email and password to complete the sign in process. With these steps, you'll successfully log in, granting you access to all your tasks and lists. Now that you're in, let's focus on the My Day list, which is a fantastic tool that helps you concentrate on what's important each day. Navigate over to the My Day section within the app. This is your personal space where you can see a curated list of tasks due today. It's designed to help you zero in on those critical daily priorities that need your attention. If you've got tasks that aren't automatically placed on your My Day list, there are a couple of ways to add them. You can simply drag and drop tasks from another list, or you can manually select a task and choose the option to add it to My Day. With your tasks all lined up, it's time to optimize your day. You have the flexibility to rearrange the order of tasks, ensuring you tackle what's most important first. This feature assists in structuring your day according to your personal workflow, letting you set and change priorities as you see fit. As you move through your day and complete tasks, make sure to check them off in My Day. This not only gives a sense of accomplishment, but also helps you maintain a clear vision of what still needs to be done. By checking tasks off, you're able to track your progress and stay motivated to keep moving forward. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to use the My Day list in Microsoft To Do. With this guide, you'll be better equipped to manage your day and prioritize your tasks effectively. Practice using these steps regularly, and you'll soon see how it enhances your productivity and organizes your daily agenda.